Hello student, my name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you trihardic alcohols. Glycerol or glycerin, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH. The simplest and the most important trihardic alcohol. It is commonly known as glycerin. The IUPAC name, it is named as propane 1,2,3 triol. Manufacture. Glycerol is manufactured by the following three methods. Number first, from soap industry. Soap are formed by alkaline hydrolysis of oil and fats, which are the esters between glycerol and higher fatty acids. Hydrolysis of oils and fats with NaOH forms ordinary soaps. Bracket में लिखिए sodium salt of acids bracket close. Soap are precipitated by adding NaCl filtered off and the filtrate. After neutralizing the free alkali and decoloration, it is concentrated in vacuum pans. Finally, glycerol is obtained by vacuum distillation. Number second, from candle industry. Candle industry use stearic acid for making candles. It is obtained by acidic hydrolysis of fats. It is removed, filtered, is treated with alkali to neutralize free acids, decolorized, concentrated and distilled under reduced pressure to obtain glycerol. Number third, by fermentation of sugars. Molasses or sugars are fermented in presence of sodium sulfite when about 20% yield of glycerol is obtained on page number 1. On page number 2, C12H22O11 plus H2O is equal to Na2SO3 and yeast 3C3H8O3 glycerol plus 2CH3CHO acetaldehyde plus 2CO2. Synthesis from elements 2C plus H2 is equal to electric spark. C2H2 acetylene is equal to dilute H2SO4 HgSO4 CH3CHO acetaldehyde. And now oxidation. CH3COOH acetic acid. Now CaCO3 reactions is equal to CH3CO का whole twice Ca calcium acetate is equal to dye and heating CH3CO CH3 acetone is equal to 2H reduction in the presence of sodium oblique C2H5OH CH3CHOH CH3 isopropyl alcohol is equal to concentrated H2SO4 170 degree centigrade heated CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 propane is equal to Cl2 500 degree centigrade Cl CH2 CH double bond CH2 allyl chloride is equal to aqueous Na2CO3 150 degree centigrade 12 atmosphere pressure OH CH2 CH double bond CH2 allyl alcohol is equal to OHCl OH CH2 CHCl CH2OH glycerol chlorohydrin is equal to NaOH OH CH2 CHOH CH2OH glycerol. Properties. Physical properties: a colorless hygroscopic syrupy liquid, sweet in taste, miscible with water and alcohol due to the hydrogen bonding, but immiscible with ether. Chemical property: glycerol contains 3 OH groups, hence forms 3 types of derivatives, that is mono, di and tri derivatives. Number first, reaction with sodium CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glycerol is equal to Na 60 degree centigrade CH2O Na single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH mono sodium glycerolate is equal to 160 degree centigrade CH2ONA single bond CHONA single bond CH2OH disodium glycerolate plus CH2ONA single bond CHOH single bond CH2O and A. Number second, with HCl, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH, O CH2Cl, plus CH2Cl, single bond CHCl, single bond CH2OH, alpha alpha dash and alpha beta. ग्लिसरॉल डाइक्लोरोहाइड्रिन फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH is equal to HCl. Now CH3COOH formation CH2Cl, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2Cl plus CH2Cl, single bond CHCl, single bond CH2OH, alpha alpha dash and alpha beta. ग्लिसरॉल डाइक्लोरोहाइड्रिन इन लेफ्ट साइड में है. CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH, glycerol. In the right side, HCl gas pass, CH2Cl, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH, glycerol monochlorohydrin on page number 2. On page number 3, with CH3COH, oblique concentrated H2SO4, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH, is equal to CH3COH, concentrated H2SO4, CH2O, COCH3, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH, glycerol monoacetate, monoacetin, is equal to CH3COH, concentrated H2SO4, CH2O, COCH3, single bond CHO, COCH3, single bond CH2OH, glycerol diacetate, diacetin, is equal to CH3COOH, concentrated H2SO4, CH2O, COCH3, single bond CHO, COCH3, single bond CH2O, COCH3, glycerol triacetate, triacetin. Number 4, acetylation with acetic anhydride, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH, is equal to CH3CO का whole twice O, CH2O, COCH3, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH, monoacetin, is equal to CH3CO का whole twice O, CH2O, COCH3, single bond CHO, COCH3, single bond CH2OH, diacetin, is equal to CH3CO का whole twice O, CH2O, COCH3, single bond CHO, COCH3, single bond CH2O, COCH3, triacetin. Number 5, with concentrated HNO3 oblique concentrated H2SO4 from glyceryl trinitrate, commonly known as nitroglycerin, a powerful explosive using a making dynamite. CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH plus 3HNO3 is equal to concentrated H2SO4 below 25 degrees centigrade, CH2ONO2, single bond CHONO2, single bond CH2ONO2, glycerol trinitrate, nitroglycerin plus 3H2O. Number 6, with HI. Number A, on warming with small amount of HI, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH plus 3HI is equal to CH2I, single bond CHI, single bond CH2I. This is the unstable compound, is equal to CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2I plus I2, allyl iodide on page number 3. On page number 4, B part, on heating with large amount of HI, first allyl iodide is formed, which react with further CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2I is equal to HI. CH3 single bond CHI, single bond CH2I, this is unstable compound, is equal to minus I2 remove CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 propylene is equal to plus HI CH3 single bond CHI single bond CH3 isopropyl iodide. Number 7, with oxalic acid. Number A, at 100 to 110 degrees centigrade, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH is equal to COOH single bond COOH oxalic acid minus H2O is removed CH2O COOH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glycerol mono oxalate is equal to minus CO2 remove CH2O CO single bond H single bond CH2OH single bond CH2OH glycerol monoformate is equal to H2O CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH. This is the glycerol plus H single bond COOH formic acid. Number B, at 200 to 220 degree centigrade, CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH plus COH single bond COH is equal to CH2OC single bond CHOC C and C के बीच में single bond in lower side CH2OH glycerol normal oxalate minus 2 CO2 is removed CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH allyl alcohol. Numbers 8 with reaction with PCl5 CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH plus 3 PCl5 is equal to CH2Cl single bond CHCl single bond CH2Cl 1 2 3 trichloropropane plus 3 POCl3 plus 3 HCl. Number 9, dehydration. When heated with some dehydrating agent KHSO4, P2O5, concentrated ester SO4, etc. forms acrolein CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH is equal to KHSO4 in heat CH2 double bond CH single bond CHO. Acrolein या acraldehyde plus 2H2 on page number 4. On page number 5, oxidation. Various products are formed depending upon the nature of oxidizing agent. CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH. Now oxidation is equal to formation of CHO single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glyceraldehyde and CH2OH single bond CO single bond CH2OH dihydroxy acetone and CHO single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glyceraldehyde oxidation plus O COH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glyceric acid and oxidation on glyceric acid COH single bond CHOH single bond COH tartanic acid and tartanic acid further oxidation on COH single bond CO single bond COOH mesoxalic acids and oxidation on mesoxalic acid COH single bond COOH and now CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H and oxidation CH2OH single bond CO single bond CH2OH dihydroxy acetone and now oxidation of COH single bond CO single bond COH mesoxalic acid and oxidation on mesoxalic acid COH single bond COH oxalic acid with Fenton reagent FeSO4 plus H2O2 bracket close is equal to glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone with dilute HNO3 glyceric and tartaric acid with concentrated HNO3 is equal to glyceric acid with bismuth nitrate is equal to mesoxalic acid. However, with periodic acid and glycerol molecules cleaves. OHCH2 single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH plus 2HIO4 is equal to SCHO formaldehyde plus HCOH formic acid plus SCHO plus 2HIO3 plus H2O. Glycerol when dropped with on powdered KMnO4 is ignited by heating of oxidation and burns with a blue flame. Number 11 with carbonyl compound RRC double bond O plus OHCH2 single bond CHOH, single bond CH2H. Concentrated H2SO4 minus H2O remove. RR, single bond C, single bond O, single bond O. O से single bond CH2, O से single bond CH. CH2 and CH single bonds, single bond CH2OH. Cyclic acetal or ketal, 5 membered. RR C double bond O, this is a ketone, plus OH CH2 single bond CH2OH CHOH. Glycerol is equal to concentrated H2SO4 minus H2O is removed. RR single bond C, single bond C, single bond O, single bond C, single bond CH2, single bond CH2, single bond CHOH, cyclic acetal or ketal, 6 membered. Uses. Glycerol is used, number first, as a sweetening agent in beverages. Number second, as a preservative. Number third, as antifreeze in automobile radiators. It lowers the freezing point of water. Number four, in preserving tobacco, printing ink, ink for stamp pads from drying out. Fifth, in making glycerin soaps and cosmetics. Number six, in preparation of nitroglycerin, पैकेट में explosive use in dynamite. Number and 7, in various medicine, throat paint, shooting agent, tonic, etc. On page number 5. My name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you glycerol. The IUPAC name of glycerol, propane 1,2,3-thiol. Preparation from oil and fats. Oil and fats on hydrolysis, caustic soda, yield soap and glycerol. This is known as saponification. On adding common salt NaCl, soap is separated. The syrupy liquid left behind after the separation of soap is known as spent lye. CH2OCr, single bond CH2OCr, single bond CH2OCr plus 3NOH is equal to CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH. Glycerol present in spent lye plus 3RCOONA soap. This is the sodium salt of higher fatty acid. R is any alkyl radical of fatty acid. O CH2OC, single bond C17H35, single bond CHOOC, single bond C17H35, single bond CH2OC dot C17H35 plus 3NOH is equal to CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH. This is the glycerol plus 3C17H35 COONA, sodium stearate या soap. Number 2, glycerol from propylene and propane. CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. This is the propane is equal to plus Cl2 in the presence of sunlight minus HCl is removed. CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 Cl 1 chloropropane plus CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3 single bond CH की साइड में Cl 2 chloropropane. CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond Cl 1 chloropropane react with KOH alcoholic minus KCl is removed minus H2O is removed minus KCl is removed. Now CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. The formation is propylene on page number 1. On page number 2, CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 propylene is equal to Cl2 500 degrees centigrade minus HCl. Cl CH2 single bond CH2 double bond CH2 so is equal to OHCl or chlorohydrin. CH2Cl single bond CHOH single bond CH2Cl plus CH2Cl single bond CHCl single bond CH2OH. is equal to plus 2NOH, hydrolysis minus 2NaCl is removed. CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2H, glycerol. Number 2, CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Propylene is equal to Cl2, 500 degrees centigrade minus HCl is removed. CH2Cl, single bond CH, double bond CH2, allyl chloride is equal to aqueous Na2CO3 HOH, hydrolysis minus HCl is removed. 150 degrees centigrade, 12 atmosphere pressure, CH2OH, single bond CH, double bond CH2, allyl alcohol is equal to OHCl. Chlorohydrin. The formation is CH2OH, single bond CHCl, single bond CH2OH. Glycerol beta chlorohydrin is equal to NOH minus NaCl remove, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2H. Glycerol is formed on page number 2. On page number 3, physical properties. Pure glycerol is a colorless, odorless, syrupy liquid heavier than water. It is miscible with water or alcohol in all proportions, but insoluble in either or chloroform. It is very hygroscopic. Glycerol crystallizes slowly on cooling, melting point 17 degrees centigrade to transparent solids crystals. Its boiling point is 220 degrees centigrade with slight decomposition. Chemical properties. Number 1, reaction with sodium. Glycerolates are formed. Glycerolates are formed. CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2H. This is the glycerol. Na called minus 1/2H2 is removed. CH2ONA, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2H, monosodium glycerolate is equal to Na on heating minus 1/2H2 is removed. CH2ONA, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2ONA, disodium glycerolate. Number 2, reaction with PCl5, 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane are formed. CH2OH, CHOH, single bond CH2OH plus 3 PCl5 is equal to CH2Cl, single bond CHCl, single bond CH2Cl, 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane plus 3 POCl3 plus 3 HCl on page number 3. On page number 4, reaction with HNO3 glycerol trinitrate bracket में nitroglycerol is formed. CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH plus OHNO2, nitric acid is equal to minus 3H2O, CH2ONO2, single bond CHONO2, single bond CH2ONO2, glycerol trinitrate, nitroglycerin, explosive compound. Reaction with HI, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2H plus 3HI minus 3H2 is removed. 1, 2, 3 tri or iodopropane is equal to CH2I, single bond CHI, single bond CH2I minus I2 is removed. Unstable glycerol triiodide, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2I, allyl iodide is equal to HI axis. Reaction CH3 single bond CHI, single bond CH2I, unstable compound 1, 2 diiodopropane minus I2 is removed. CH3 single bond CH, double bond CH2, propylene is equal to plus HI, CH3 single bond CHI, single bond CH3, propylene and 2-iodopropane isopropyl iodide. Reaction with HCl, CH2OH, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH plus HCl gas minus H2O, CH2Cl, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2OH is equal to HCl gas minus H2O, glycerol monochlorohydrin, CH2Cl, single bond CHOH, single bond CH2Cl on page number 4. On page number 5, dehydration. Glycerol is dehydrated by P2O5 CHSO4 concentrated ester SO4 to give glycerol acrolein. CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H glycerol is equal to KHSO4 or P2O5 minus 2H2 is removed. CH2 double bond CH single bond CHO acrolein or C single bond H right side में OH single bond C left side में OH right side में H single bond C left side में H right side में OH single bond H is equal to KHSO4 P2O5 minus 2H2O is removed. लेफ्ट साइड एंड राइट साइड से H2O रिमूव कीजिए. CH2 डबल बॉन्ड C सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड CHOH अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड रीअरेंजमेंट. CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH सिंगल बॉन्ड CHO acrolein. Oxidation glycerol is oxidized by different oxidizing agent giving different oxidation products. Oxidizing agent like acidified KMnO4 it into CO2 convert it into CO2 on page number 5. On page number 6, glycerol plus dilute HNO3 is equal to glyceric acid plus tartaric acid. Glycerol plus concentrated HNO3 is equal to glyceric acid. Glycerol plus bromine water is equal to glyceraldehyde plus dihydroxyacetone. Glycerol plus acidified KMnO4 is equal to CO2 plus H2O. Now oxidation CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH. This is a glycerol. Oxidation minus H2O is removed. CHO single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glycerol acetaldehyde. Oxidation COH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glyceric acid. Plus 2O oxidation minus H2O is removed. COH single bond CHOH single bond COH tartanic acid and oxidation on tartanic acids minus H2O is removed. COH single bond CO single bond COOH mesoxalic acid and oxidation of mesoxalic acid COH single bond COH oxalic acid plus CO2 and now CH2OH single bond CO single bond CH2OH dihydroxyacetone plus 4O oxidation minus 2H2O COH single bond CO single bond COH mesoxalic acids oxidation COH single bond COH oxalic acid plus CO2. Reaction with acetic acid CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H plus OHCOCH3 acetic acid is equal to CH2O COCH3 single bond CHOH single bond CH2H glycerol monoacetate plus H2O. CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H plus 2 molecules of acetic acid is equal to CH2O dot COCH3 single bond CHOH single bond CH2O COCH3 plus 2H2O glycerol diacetate. CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H plus 3 molecules of acetic acid is equal to CH2O COCH3 CHO COCH3 CHO COCH3 glycerol diacetate on page number 6. On page number 7, reaction with oxalic acids CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H plus COH single bond COH oxalic acid is equal to 100 to 110 degree centigrade is equal to minus H2O CHOOC COH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H is equal to delta यानी heat minus CO2 is removed glycerol monooxalate. This is a very important reaction CH2OOCH single bond CHOH single bond CH2H glycerol monoformate is equal to HOH hydrolysis SCOH formic acid plus CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glycerol. Uses in textile industries. Number 2 glycerol like glycol is used is an antifreeze for automobiles. Number 3 used in printing and copying links, toilets, transparent soaps and cosmetics. Number 4 used as lubricant in watch. Number 5 in textile, leather, rubber and plastic industries. Fats and oils are those liquids which are saponification while other such as steroids are non-saponification. CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH styrene glycerin, yeah, glycerol, plus OH single bond C double bond O single bond R, OH single bond C double bond O single bond R, OH single bond C double bond O single bond R. Plus minus 3H2O is removed. CH2O single bond C double bond O single bond R, single bond CH single bond O single bond C double bond O single bond R, single bond CH2 single bond O single bond C double bond O single bond R. The compound of a triglyceride, oil and fats on page number 7.